not so long.
Oh,
I'm ready to have this sucker.
yeah, you're about to pop. I can tell.
You too.
Yeah, it's getting kind of heavy.
Yeah.
What you reading there?
Just a book about prenatal care. Hey, do you think that being dehydrated during pregnancy is bad?
I mean,
Dun, 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 dun. Dehydration is terrible. You should drink 12 8-ounce glasses of water per day because dehydration can lead to preterm labor.
thanks, doctor.
What's up, girl?
Hey, what's up?
Just chilling in the sauna. What are you doing?
Nothing, just chilling out here.
Chilling with your baby?
Yep, me and my baby.
You and your baby want to come chill in the sauna?
Well, I don't know if it's good for my baby or not, but sure.
Alright, follow me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Chilling in a sauna or hot tub while pregnant is bad for your baby's health. It can damage the fetus and lead to miscarriage.
Oh, I have such a headache.
You just shut up already. All you do is sit there and complain all day about having a headache. Just take some ibuprofen or something.
Alright, fine, I'll take some ibuprofen.
Whoa! You're pregnant, right?
Yeah, pregnant.
Don't take ibuprofen. That decreases the amount of amniotic fluids, which can lead to poor fetal growth and possible